Today's video is going to be doing one freebie or example problem from your assignment today. So I took a look at your slides and I did a little quick recap of what the problem is and I wrote it on my board. So I'm going to read that to you and explain what's going on. So this is the Cheerios problem. And so we have an 18-ounce box of Cheerios and that box cost $4.86. We have a smaller box that only has 14 ounces of Cheerios and it has a smaller price tag of $4.06. So what we're going to do is we're trying to figure out which box is a better buy, right? And so if I'm going to the grocery store, I want to be saving money over time. If I'm buying cereal over and over all year, I want to make sure that I'm buying the cereal that's actually the cheapest, and it might not be the one that has the lower price tag today. So the first thing I'm going to need to do is find my unit rates. So I want to get this 18-ounce price down to a certain price per ounce. And if we remember, per means one. So what I'm going to do is I am just going to set up a quick equivalent rate, and then I'm going to show you the math off to the side. So let's take this 18-ounce box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up two equivalent ratio bars. It's going to look like equivalent fractions. And I'm going to put the information I know. So over here on the top, I'm going to put the price, which is $4.86. And I'm going to put the size, which is 18 ounces, down. So I'm going to have dollars up top and ounces down below. And if you remember, per means one. So I really want to figure out the price for just 1 ounce. Now, if you're someone who likes the arrow method, you're going to draw your arrows. We're going to go from the price down to our mystery price, and we go from 18 ounces down to 1 ounce. And the reason that these arrows help some people is that they can see the relationship. So from 18 to 1, we divided by 18. So we're going to do the same thing up top, and we're going to get the unit price. So let's try and set up my division problem for $4.86 divided by 18. Okay, I'm going to fit it over here. My division box, $4.86, and we're dividing by 18. So I'm going to get my decimal ready. I also know it's money. 18 doesn't go into 4, so it's 0. We've got to figure out how many 18s go into 48. Let's see, 18 is about 20, so it might go in twice. Let's try it. 18 times 2. Let's see how close we get. That's 16, 2 times 1. That's 36. Let's see if 3 works. 18 times 3. Let's see if we get closer or if we go over. 8 times 3 is 24. Oh, that's 54. So 3 went over. 2 times was the closest I could get. 18 times 2 is 36. Let's subtract and see how close we got. 8 minus 6 is 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. We were 12 off. Let's bring down our 6. How many 18s go into 126? So let's see, this got me to 54. Let's try 6 or 7. I'm thinking 7, 18 times 7. Let's see if that works. 8 times 7 is 56. 7 times 1 plus 5 is 12. We got 126, so 7 worked perfectly. 126, no remainders. So this was my unit price that would have gone right in my equivalent rates. 27 cents for 1 ounce. So I'm going to jot that over here. 0.27, 27 cents per ounce. We're going to do the same thing with the 14-ounce box, and then we're going to see which one is a better deal at the store. So some people need to set up their equivalent rates. Other people know that they're just going to take the price and they're going to divide by 14 ounces. So let's just fast forward to my division. $4.06 divided by 14 ounces. Let's just skip right to this division because we know that's what's happening. We're taking this price and we're dividing it up by 14 ounces to get the price for 1 ounce. Okay, $, decimal. 14 doesn't go into 4. How many 14s go into 40? I think it's 2. Let's see, 2 times 14 is 28. Oh, maybe it's 3. I don't think so. I think it's just 2. 28. Let's try it. We got some regrouping here. 10 minus 8 is 2, and 12. Yeah, that's as close as we could get. Oh, interesting. We've got 126 again. Well, let's see. It took 7 of them for the 18. Let's try something bigger, like a 9 maybe? 14 times 9. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 1 plus 3 is 12. Oh, perfect, 126. No leftovers, and it took me 9. So my answer for this one is 29 cents. 0.29 cents per ounce. Now, the last thing that we're going to do in order to answer our question is we've got to pause and we need to take a look at our prices. Now, in some cases, you want to choose something that's a higher number. And in other cases, you want to look at a lower number. So we need to think when we're going to the store, do we want to spend more money or do we want to find things that are on sale or cheaper? I don't know about you, but I would rather choose something that's cheaper. So I am not going to choose something that's 29 cents for every ounce. I would rather choose to save some money. I want to choose something that saves me 2 pennies for every ounce. Now, if we look back to the real life problem, this 18-ounce box is going to cost me a little bit more money today. But if I'm buying Cheerios over and over and over and over again all year, I'm actually going to end up saving money, because if I look at the price that it costs for every ounce, every time I eat an ounce of Cheerios with this bigger box, I'm actually saving myself 2 pennies. So which one is a better buy? I am going to say that the 18-ounce box is a better buy because it's cheaper by 2 cents per ounce. Okay. The 18-ounce box is a better buy, or you could say a better deal or a better option. The 18-ounce box is a better buy because you save 2 cents with a dollar, 0.02, 2 cents per ounce. So that is my answer. I chose the cheaper one. So in this case, I was looking for the smaller price. And then I said how much it was better by. 2 cents per ounce. That means every single ounce, I'm going to save 2 pennies. Feel free to rewind this and watch this again. Remember, you might be someone who sets up an equivalent rate. Maybe use your arrows, or you might be someone who can just see the math happening and you set up and skip right to your division problem. Good luck and do your very best.